In Melbourne, Australia, up in Carlton, a lot of bars, little restaurants. See, this is like a fun little area, these small little bars. Italian restaurant. Boom, baby. Got my luggage, by the way, bro. $15 for this little duffel bag. Marketplace. Dude, if this isn't like flipping Canada, I don't know what is, bro. These leaves are changing color and stuff. Look at this, dude. It's like autumn in Canada, bro. Look at this, dude. That is crazy, dude. Melbourne's making me feel like I'm at home, bro. Flipping back in Canada. That could be like Central Park or something, bro. Cute buildings, bro. Damn, I love Australia. This is so different to the flipping tropical area I'm living in. This is a vibe, dude. This is a city, baby. Lygon Street, Carlton actually reminds me of Canada, Hess Village in downtown Hamilton, Ontario, but just a little bit bigger. Afghan kebab places, sick flipping gelato, bro. Cool restaurants from all over the world. It looks like a lot of Italian I've been seeing, some Asian stuff, and these trees, bro. Man, this is so cool, bro. It actually feels cold here, bro. This is actually winter-ish. Very mild winter day in Canada. So there's no snow on the ground, but it's a bit brisk. It's nice because it's not raining. I think if it was raining, this is the kind of temperature that I hate. 7 degrees. Dude, I'd rather -10 than +7 because at least you can play ice hockey, snowboard. This is sweet, dude. Feels super historical. Jesus loves you.